All right, greetings and salutations, everyone. Welcome to the Crypto Truth, where I give you the truth as I see it. All right, again, keeping true to my word, I'm going next to Bepro. Now, apparently, it has went on a tear lately. Still have no idea. I don't know what Bepro is. I haven't looked at anything, so we're gonna go ahead and take a look at it. And after this, I'm going to be watching some Final Fantasy Advent Children. Why? Because I like it. All right, now let's go ahead and get started. This rank is at number 577. It's a little bit down. Today we're looking at a circulating supply of 1,825,000,000. Total supply of, is that 10 billion? 10 billion? Yep. That's pretty low, by the way. And but it all depends on how it's going to be used. So let's check this out here. Apparently, it had went up. Wow, boy, this Joker flew up. So if you guys got in January, in December or January, and held this, you guys would have been good, very good. But I've never even heard of it. So let's go ahead and take a look at what it is. Not like I've heard about a lot of things. Anyway, the live Bepro Network price today, blah 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 blah. The current market cap is ranking is 577. The top exchanges for current KuCoin, Biloxi, and Ascendance EX. So you can find others listening. Bepro Network is code base for DeFi gaming. You guys know prediction markets and more. Gaming is huge. All right, I'm gonna go ahead to its website because it's not giving me any information here on CoinMarketCap other than its token. So, all right, build the future of DeFi gaming. All right, let's check this out. 10 plus products, 50 plus projects actually using it, and infinite possibilities. I don't think that possibilities are infinite, but I do think depending on how it's used, it's pretty cool. Trusted by these great companies, we're looking at Chainlink, Anchor, Double Spin, Bistos, TKN, Xking Poker Markets, Elron. There's Elron again. Damn, Elron been everywhere. And Moonbeam. So for businesses and ideas, the code base for Gaming 3.0. We are a code as a service protocol providing technology and support for blockchain based applications. Our libraries and smart contracts were audited by Red Fort, SEC, Certec, and iTech Labs. Decentralized technology was created by 100% decentralization. Access it in our GitHub. Build anything. Prediction markets, P2P betting, information markets, DeFi gaming, and more. Use, fork, edit, and run it yourself. Software made with the goal of being editable every day of the year. Build on Ethereum, Polkadot, or Binance Chain with existing infrastructure. Again, you guys, with this whole gaming, obviously we know that DeFi is awesome. Peer-to-peer betting. So a lot of people don't understand how big the gambling world is in the betting world. So it's pretty big. Bepro, your access to the network. Use Bepro to propose new features, new products, to get technical support from the Bepro Network engineers community. Receive Bepro by being part of the future of Bepro Network. Create features of instructions as this Bepro token model. Bepro's token economy is built around a Bepro token, a utility token that enables token holders to set up applications on Bepro, participate in the network, and earn tokens rewards by providing value. All right, some of their backers, Shilling, Clever. All right, start using Bepro. League of Legends World Champ. Ooh, what the? Is it in there with League of Legends? Maybe that's just I don't know, but oh no. I think that's is that a crypto game? I'm not 100% sure. But it's the API for Gaming 3.0. Man, I'm telling you guys, I don't care who it is. If they look here, I'm telling you right now, if I'm locking myself up, if they have a Skyrim based game or any game like Skyrim on PlayStation, and I'm not even going to say Xbox because I don't even like Xbox. I'm just being real with you guys. I'm just not an Xbox guy. I'm a PlayStation guy. Been a PlayStation guy for a very long time. Not that Xbox don't have great games. They did. I actually had a couple of Xboxes. I had the first one. And then obviously the 360 as well because I like Dance Central, even because I can't dance. But going back to this whole thing, it still hasn't really told me exactly what Bepro is. Um, let's take a look at this. It says start building. I really hate to click on stuff. So Bpro documentation development came from the idea that developing platforms shouldn't be hard, neither in blockchain in ages. Gaming, betting, and DeFi systems should be easy to integrate and to access from any designer or front end developer. This is true. That's why we've put all the code public and to use and the use of the community to create the biggest source of code for gaming 3.0. The code base for gaming 3.0. We are a code as a service protocol providing technology and support for blockchain based applications. Our products can be divided into two categories, which are based on two different setups. On the on-chain side, a fully working product ready for easy integrations from staking, farming, gaming, prediction markets, NFT betting, etc. And on the other side, an off-chain betting system ready to get hosted, integrate a couple of APIs, and compete with players like Bit Casino, Stake.com, Sportsbet.io, and the other providers. Let's see here if we can get an introduction here. All right, the Bepro SDK exists to help developers build on top of Bepro. It's designed to run in any environment that can execute JavaScript. Think website node scripts, which simple enough to use in a hackathon project. It's also robust enough to power production applications. Now, this is something that I want you guys to be aware of, and I'm glad it mentioned JavaScript. You guys know I don't go into technicalities and stuff like that, but I'm going to attempt to. I'm going to really, really attempt to. So before in I believe Holochain had their before they had the Redux or before they had the new version, before they were looking for people to be able to build their websites, their nodes, or run anything using JavaScript. And now I believe it's changed in which you cannot run through JavaScript, but through what they did with and I can't remember the name of Firefox. No, Mozilla. Um, uh, yeah, I'm just gonna stop right there because I'm throwing myself off. But things are starting to connect, and but this is absolutely correct in what they're saying. It's easy to build things on JavaScript, so that's pretty cool. Here you can see create your web apps without the need of creating complex Solidity smart contracts, backend infrastructure, and go through audits and hiring processes. Just build your amazing UI with our tools. Start for free. So here we're looking at I don't know what all this stuff is, but here we're looking at it seems like they're just trying to make it very easy for those who want to create something onto Bpro. Like they can use Bpro to create what they need and make it very, very easy. That sounds cool. Let's look at the usage, because I don't understand a lot of this, a lot of a lot of these technologies. I'm just being honest with you guys. I can't overstep my boundaries and with this stuff. So let's take a look at the blog because to be honest, let's see here. Bepro Network on Binance Smart Chain, obviously. Um, Bepro Network partners with Kylie Network for Polkadot Oracle Solutions. And again, I've always stated, you guys, you know, it's very important to understand what happens when um, you're taking a look at all of this stuff here. You know, it's important to understand. And I'm sorry, I didn't even take a look at this, but whatever. It's really important to understand that everything is all about connections. And again, I've stated this before, and I'll say it again. You know, these connections are they're trying to make their company stronger by joining together. And obviously the stronger the project is, the longer it's going to last, right? Now, I'm not going to tell you guys whether this project is a bubble or whether it's not or what's going on. I ain't really you guys know I don't do short term stuff, so I'm not really into that. But I will say, let's see, updated Bepro Liquidity Rewards Program. The Uniswap Bepro Liquidity Rewards Program is the only official LP program out there. All the other decentralized uh, exchanges, liquidity programs, and listings are unofficial. Due diligence is strongly recommended. Update for LP rewards in 2021. All Bepro will share approved 1 billion tokens. Top LP in April will win exclusive. I mean, in a actual Bepro hat. Second largest LP in April will win official Bepro Network artwork NFT. So Uniswap is a fully decentralized. We went through what Uniswap is. Provision on Ethereum liquidity providers out there get 3%, 0.3% generated by Uniswap trades. Pairs they provide. We are going to sweeten the deal even more with our new updated Bepro Uniswap Rewards program, now with NFT prizes and merchandises. I really don't like it when, you know, it just seems like people give like little cheap rewards for stuff. Who cares about a hat? I mean, I mean, I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. I can probably pay somebody and get a hat that look just like this. But they're just basically just trying to get people in. I really don't. It just seems kind of gimmicky to me, and I don't really like it. But doesn't mean that the project's bad. I don't want nobody jumping down my damn throat about this project. It just means that, you know, in that little specific part, it just seemed a little gimmicky. That's all. But how to be eligible, it talks about how to be eligible. Disclaimers: participants Bepro users may receive varying amounts of Ether and Bepro from the pool for being liquidity providers. It's the nature of Uniswap. So I guess this could be a way to earn you know, money on the side, get a little bit extra for and again, this is a marketing, so they're supposed to be gimmicky, right? That's part of marketing. I have taken quite a bit of marketing courses. I probably should use my marketing skills when it comes to making these videos, but I don't. I try to be as real as possible on my videos. And I'm really tired of the whole gimmicky stuff. Eventually I can see myself, maybe if I spend more time actually doing it. And then obviously the more gimmicky you are, the better you can to get your name out, right? You can get the message out. And that's one of the things that even I get upset with programs. So apparently they're doing good with what they're doing. Even I get upset with you know, organizations like Holochain, for example. Like, a lot of people don't know about it. They're not really advertising it, right? But if in there, like, well, we want people to believe in, you know, what we believe in. But, you know, if you got to attract people, sometimes it does take some candy to throw in front of their faces before they're like, oh, look, oh yeah, that seems cool, you know. I don't know, but anyway, I'm going at it. I'm talking a lot, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end it right there. You guys have a wonderful day. I know it's late. I've been over here. So for many of you guys who don't know what's been going on, I've been before I close this out, I'm out visiting my girlfriend, and I just wanted to I'm trying to get. I'm still out here in Georgia, but It's cool. It's a good visit. I will say Georgia's kind of weird. I'm not from Georgia. I've been in, I used to be in Georgia over in Warner Robins um, Air Force Base. I was there for 3 years. I was stationed out there. It was cool and everything. Eh, I learned how to play frisbee golf, but other than that, but up here it's a little bit different where I am. I'm not gonna say specifically where I am, but it's a little bit different. They got me in trouble, man. They had a Popeyes and a Krispy Kreme donut right next to each other. Are you kidding me? That set me up for failure in life, man. For real. Anyway, you guys have a wonderful day. Please, please, please make sure you do your own research. And most importantly, everyone, please stay safe out there. Bye.